Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism by Max Weber. Max Weber's concept of the spirit of capitalism is a key component of his broader sociological theory. Weber, the German sociologist, introduced this concept in his seminal work, The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism, dual essays published first in 1904-1905. Weber sought to understand the origins and development of modern capitalism, particularly in Western societies. He argued that capitalism emerged not solely due to economic factors, but also as a result of cultural, religious, and ethical forces. Weber identified Protestantism, particularly Calvinism, as a significant influence on the development of the capitalist spirit in Western Europe. The spirit of capitalism refers to a set of attitudes, values, and beliefs that emerged within Protestant religious communities, particularly Calvinism, and contributed to the rise of this particular form of capitalism. Weber proposed that certain Protestant beliefs, such as the Calvinist doctrine of predestination, played a crucial role in shaping the behavior and mindset of individuals toward economic activity. Weber argued that Calvinist theology encouraged a lifestyle of asceticism, emphasizing self-discipline, frugality, and hard work. Calvinists believed in the importance of worldly success as a sign of God's favor and salvation, the signs of election, being elected by God. This led individuals to pursue economic activities with diligence and dedication, accumulating wealth as a means of demonstrating their religious piety. Weber noted a shift in economic behavior among Protestant societies towards rationalization and calculation. Calvinist beliefs in the importance of order, discipline, and efficiency influenced individuals to approach economic activities in a systematic and rational manner. This rationalization of economic life facilitated the development of modern capitalist institutions and practices. Weber coined the term Protestant work ethic to describe the emphasis placed by Protestant religious teachings on the value of hard work, diligence, and worldly success. According to Weber, this ethic contributed to the accumulation of capital and the expansion of economic activity in Protestant societies. Weber's analysis of the spirit of capitalism represents a departure from purely economic explanations for the emergence of capitalism. Instead, he highlights the role of cultural and religious factors in shaping the development of capitalist societies. While Weber's thesis has been subject to debate and criticism over the last century and a half, it remains influential in sociology and continues to inspire research on the relationship between culture, religion, and economic behavior. Unlike purely economic explanations for the rise of capitalism, Weber's analysis focuses on the cultural and religious dimensions. He argues that Protestantism, as mentioned, Calvinism in particular, played a crucial role in shaping the values and attitudes and behaviors conducive to capitalist development. This cultural perspective adds depth to our understanding of the origins and dynamics of capitalism, highlighting the interplay between religion, ethics, and economic activity. Weber's work reflects his interdisciplinary approach, drawing insights from sociology, history, economics, and religious studies. By synthesizing ideas from multiple disciplines, Weber offers a comprehensive analysis of the spirit of capitalism, considering both material and non-material factors in its formation and perpetuation. Weber's focus on the role of ideas and beliefs distinguishes his analysis from purely structural or materialist explanations of social phenomena. You could say he's fighting against the ghost of Marx, vulgar Marx in the sense. He argues that religious doctrines and ethical principles exert a significant influence on individual behavior and societal institutions, shaping patterns of economic activity and organization. Weber's analysis of the spirit of capitalism is historically specific, focusing on the development of capitalism in Western Europe, particularly Protestant regions. He highlights the unique cultural and religious contributions or conditions of Protestantism, such as the Calvinist doctrine of predestination and the emphasis on the Protestant work ethic that contributed to the emergence of capitalism in those societies. Weber's analysis is characterized by its complexity and nuance, acknowledging the multifaceted nature of social phenomena, rather than offering a simplistic or deterministic explanation for the rise of capitalism. Weber explores the interplay of various factors, as mentioned, religion, culture, economics, politics, social structure, in shaping historical developments. Overall, Weber's concept of the spirit of capitalism represents a distinctive approach to understanding the origins and dynamics of capitalist societies. By highlighting the cultural, religious, and ideational dimensions of capitalism, Weber offers valuable insight into the complex interplay of forces that have shaped modern economic systems. So you can see a generation after Karl Marx, a contribution by a, let's say, genius. Thank you.